Hello students, our today's topic is acid and bases. In today's lecture, we will discuss about acids, different type of acids, their properties and uses of some common acids. After that, we will discuss about bases, its different types, their properties, and at last uses of some common bases. At initial stage, we will start with the substance acid. You all are aware with lemon juice. You know that the lemon juice is sour in taste. Its sourness indicates its acidic nature. It means all that substances which taste sour are called acids. In general way, we can say that acids are sour in taste, or all that substances which taste sour are called acids. Before elaborating this topic, let us start with the different concepts which defines the acid. The first concept is known as classical concept. The classical concept actually defines acid on the basis of its properties, such as all that substances which are sour in taste are called acids. Therefore, the first topic, the first definition according to classical concept is all that substances which taste sour are called acids. The second property or the second definition of acid is all that substances whose aqueous solution conduct electricity are called acids. Means the aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity. The third property or the third definition states that all that substances which are acidic in nature are capable to change the blue litmus to red. It means acid can change blue litmus to red. The number 4, fourth point indicates that all the substances which are acidic in nature can corrode any smooth surface. It means acids are corrosive in nature. Therefore, on the basis of classical concept, we can define acids as all that substances which are sour in taste, whose aqueous solution conduct electricity, which turns blue litmus to red, and which are corrosive in nature are called acids. Therefore, according to classical concepts, all acids are sour in taste. They can their aqueous solution can conduct electricity. They can turn blue litmus to red, and all are corrosive in nature. But when we aware with other properties of the acids, we supposed to say that all acids are not taste sour, all are not corrosive, all acids cannot change blue litmus to red, then What is the other definition of acid which can satisfy all that criteria? Then the second concept which defines the acid more properly is known as Arrhenius concept. The Arrhenius concept indicates all that substances which release H plus ion aqueous when dissolved in water are called acids. For example, when we dissolve HCl in water, it gives H plus ion aqueous and Cl minus ion aqueous. Therefore, we can conclude that all that substances which can release H plus ion aqueous on dissolving in water are called acids. Therefore, according to Arrhenius concept, when HCl is dissolved in water, it gives H plus ion aqueous. Therefore, HCl is an acid. Next example is, when we dissolve H2SO4 in water, it gives H plus ion aqueous plus SO4 2 minus ion aqueous. It means H2SO4 can also give H plus ion aqueous when dissolved in water. Third example is the acetic acid. Formula is CH3COOH